Welcome to another What I Ate Today. Yay! We're in motion here. What you got?
I got a power drink. This is a double.
That's a really cute mug.
Thank you. This is my second one.
Oh boy.
It's what I do every morning. Two giant mugs of coffee before I eat anything.
You know what I do every morning? I have a nut butter filled Cliff Bar. Whoa! When are we gonna get sponsored by them?
I don't know.
That'd be awesome.
I'm sure lots of other people eat those by the case as well.
Yeah, I like these because they're really good before I work out. I'm actually not gonna be biking today, which sucks, but I just have way too much work to get done. So it's an off day. Yeah, it's an off day for biking, but I like to have this in the morning.
Where's my Cliff Bar?
Oh, Gina, you can't have this.
Why?
Jeannie! Oh.
He said.
Yeah. I gotta get to work.
Alright guys, here we go. We were just discussing if it actually snowed in the Shire. Maddie was very concerned for the poor hobbits. They don't have snow removal equipment and they only have tiny shovels. Oh, we didn't show your breakfast. So, since this is a What I Ate Today, we can include you. You're having some oatmeal.
I am.
With
raw
chocolate
almonds,
in it.
Raw almonds, raw walnuts. Oh, I didn't put the hemp seed in.
Oh yeah, get your hemp seed. Get your hemp on. Get your hemp on. Oh, I kind of mixed it up. I think it's still on the first shelf though. I'm having some old ass rice from Mexican night with some old leftover, I don't know, just dribs and drabs, whatever was left over from last week when we had Mexican night. A can of French cut green beans because we're trying to work through our old vegetables and canned stuff downstairs, and I really like string beans, so I don't mind at all.
And they're French cut.
And they're French cut. That is the best cut. And some cheese sauce, aka yellow sauce, as Sean likes to call it, which is a cashew base. If you're new, welcome, first of all. Second of all, the yellow sauce, which we have a recipe for on probably from like, I don't know, a while ago, but just look at popular videos. I'm sure it's under there. It's a cashew-based cheese sauce, and it's really, really good. And if you haven't tried it yet, you should, because it's quite tasty. And it's the same color as Homer over here, so. Oh, who's coughing up a hairball. Isn't that nice? I guess that's what he had for breakfast.
Alright guys, I'm not going to waste your time with this because we're going to have more exciting stuff to talk about later, but I am having an everything bagel with roasted garlic hummus. Surprise, surprise.
What's more exciting later?
I don't know. Well, it's just because I eat the same breakfast like every day, basically, but the other stuff's going to be different. Alright, time for a lunchtime walkthrough.
Alright, so I'm having 2 pieces of sourdough with some of our fail everything but the bagel hummus from last night, which still tastes good to me.
It's good, it's just not what we were going for, which is why we didn't publish that.
Yeah. Some veggie bean onion rings, some spring mix lettuce, and I have some of the just mayo on there.
Nice.
What do you have?
I have a nice bed of lettuce. I have some sweet potato mac and cheese that you made last night for dinner. I just sprinkled the tiniest bit of Himalayan sea salt on there.
Okay.
And I have some, what are these?
White bean onion rings?
White bean onion rings. Are there actually onions in them, or is it all beans?
I think there's like onion powder, maybe.
Well, I like these better than onion rings.
I like them better too.
Just saying.
They taste more substantial, and they're probably way healthier for you too.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on over here?
Having a snack.
Snack of champions.
Going in on these oyster crackers.
Tearing them up.
Yeah. I'm gonna be drinking all night.
All right, enjoy. Yeah, Jonathan.
Don't do that. You're gonna get it on the table. Trying to be all freaking fancy.
Did you already take your lemon?
Yes, I did.
Look at what we're having. It's a big bowl of vomit.
Yay! Red lentil chili. The lighting over here is horrible.
Yeah. You know what? I switched it up. Bish. Instead of corn, put spring vegetables in there, so...
I like that, because I'm not like a huge corn person. Like, I like it sometimes, but...
Yo, we got the butternut squash in there.
Yes.
We got the sweet potato in
yes.
there. We got the spring vegetables in there.
Woo!
We got the red lentils in there.
What sausage brand did you use?
Tofurkey beer brats.
Nice. We got some rice too underneath.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a good meal.
And Sicilian lemon juice, all the way from Italy.
All right.
It's kosher, it's non-GMO, and it's gluten-free.
All right. Let's go enjoy. Let's go burn our mouths off.
Yeah, vomit. Dessert time.
Wow.
Yay!
We're still working for the Mad Rose D channel.
Yeah, we're watching Big Brother Canada.
But we're wrapping this up.
Okay, guys.
You're having some of
I'm
that
having
peanut butter Oreos.
by Back to Nature.
Oh,
Yum, peanut butter cookies, love.
I'm having a Annie's organic cookie bites.
Minnie's just like, where's mine?
Aw, Minnie.
Girl. Good girl.
What? I hope you guys enjoyed watching what we ate today.
Mm-hmm.
Hope it gave you some inspo.
We enjoyed eating it.
Yeah, it was really good.
We enjoyed eating for you.
Thanks for watching, guys. And until next time, much love.